Look at this t-shirt. I mean, it's so cute. This Mickey written here. And okay, what am I doing? Let's come to the video. The topic of the video today is helping out students who have just entered in 11th and they have decided to take commerce as their stream. I know it must be very much overwhelming to you all right now, because it was to me, because I was from a completely different board and then I shifted to CBSE board and I shifted to a new school, so it was a whole new experience for me. I was so scared. I did not know anybody. I did not know whom to ask, how to begin studying and how to start studying actually, and how to figure out studying. This was the most difficult part for me because I took around 2 to 3 months of figuring out how to study actually. Without wasting any more time, let's begin with all the subjects. There are 5 subjects in commerce mainly. First is accountancy, then economics, then BST and English as well. And then you get to choose subjects, like our school had IP, Hindi and mathematics. So I chose maths. And there's also 6 subjects which can be like a physical education, entrepreneurship or psychology. Our school only had physical education, so we all had to take that subject only. So I'll be discussing all of the subjects one by one. The very most important subject, and I know you might be thinking like इसमें क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, समझ में आएगा नहीं आएगा. Like in the first 10 classes of my accountancy, I was also very clueless. I mean, I was like, इतने सारे terms है, like how will my brain process all these things so fast? But with time, I'm assuring you, if you practice regularly, these things will come to you easily, and it is not a very hard subject. 11th accountancy is quite easy. For accountancy, I chose the book which is D.K. Goel. You can also take T.S. Grewal, whatever your school suggests, or you can even buy it on your own along with NCERT, of course. You know what mistake I did was I did not open my NCERT in my 11th standard at all, thinking that not a single question will come, but you read at least once, like before beginning a chapter, like you can just go through the pages and see what's there in the book. I did not use it till now. I don't know what's there in the book. And the YouTube channel which I preferred was C.A. Paragupta. And did I take tuitions for accountancy? Yes, I did take tuition for accountancy because it is a very new subject and I was not sure how to start such a new subject on my own. There is also Rajat Arora, but I did not watch his videos, but many of my friends say that his videos are quite good, so you may look for his videos as well. BST, which is business studies. In this subject and me did not go well together, except for the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 का आधा, because formation of the company से I was like मेरा BST से हो गया. If you want to, I don't know.
क्या कर रहा है यार तू? मजाक है क्या?
I read BST only before exams, and you all please do not make this mistake. It will be very much of theoretical based subject. You will have to learn. You'll have to also learn and understand. You will have to understand the topics and you will have to remember the heading. The headings are the main thing, and under me, like, you can make anything and write on your own, but you need to remember those headings. They are very important, be it for the merits, demerits, importance, characteristics. Okay, I did not get any good YouTube channel. I read BST on my own. But some of my friends used physics wala and then Rajat Arora, so I just followed along with my school ka teacher and I read BST at home on my own. I did not take any tuitions as well. You do not need any reference book. I had Poonam Gandhi, but I think NCERT is only good for BST, both in 11th and 12th standard, so you did not need to buy any reference book for that. Almost each and everything comes from NCERT, and some of the topics are not even there in Poonam Gandhi, which is there in NCERT, and due to that I also lost some of the marks in my half-yearly examination. Okay, economics has also taken a completely U-turn. In economics, you have 2 books. One is microeconomics and the other book is statistics. In class 11th, microeconomics, it's a very fun topic to study. If you are interested, it's really fun. You do not have to learn so much. If you love to, understand the topic and then, write it on your own, then it's good for you because it's totally based on concept. You need to clarify your concepts very अच्छे से. मेरा हाफ ईयरली में मैंने यही, I think I made a mistake. I did not practice much of my MCQs and all, so I lost many marks. But in the annual examination, I rectified my mistakes and I did pretty good. I mean, the paper was kind of tough, as all of you know. I said that after my eco ka exam, the YouTube channel that I only used was C.A. Paragupta and nothing else. He teaches economics itne zyada अच्छे से. I've made proper notes from his videos. Whatever he used to say and whatever he used to write along with the video, and then after completion of a lecture, like, do not watch so many lectures at a time. I would say watch one lecture a day, and you can even skip some of the days. Like you can use Monday, Wednesday, Friday as your economics, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday as your BST. I did not do like that. I know this was the mistake I made. I preferred reading economics like for a whole week and ignoring BST, which I told you all not to do that mistake. Did I take any tuitions for economics? No, because that was enough. And the reference book that I used is Sandeep Garg. Yeah, you really need reference book in economics because NCERT ka books are so small. उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. And I did not even open economics का book. But annual examination में हमारा एक question आया था जो NCERT से पूरा paragraph लेके दिया हुआ था. Then when I searched it online, I found that it was from NCERT. So yeah, do not also skip NCERT. For the numericals and economics, for both micro and stats, CA Paragupta is only the best. I only used his videos, so I do not know about anybody else because I have turned off the fan. Statistics, you need to be very much consistent with statistics as well. And half yearly also I did not practice statistics, so मेरा बहुत सारा wrong हो गया था mean, median, mode वाला questions. But before annual examination I practiced statistics really well, I was able to do the questions in the exam. Sorry for the pause in between. Video got too long, so I decided to cut it into 2 parts. So this is the part 1 and you will be able to see the part 2 very soon. If you enjoyed, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Maybe till then we'll meet you. Bye bye.